Hi, my name is Arlene Chavarria, Master Colorist and Pearly Color Educator.
Hi, I'm Jeremiah Sammons, Director of Education for Pearly Color.
Passport is a revolutionary professional tool, which clinical research has shown to penetrate the cortex of the hair in order to repair the disulfide and hydrogen bonds that are broken during most chemical services. Working at a cellular level, Passport is able to actually reattach and replace these broken bonds, preventing breakage and resulting in healthier, more resilient hair, as well as giving your client a longer lasting, more vibrant color.